Purvi Products presents India's first portable plating machine, Richgold, for on-site plating work. Now do plating without dipping the job in electroplating tanks. Plating for hard nickel, hard chrome, gold, silver, tin, lead and copper metal is possible on metal parts including stainless steel. You can also repair ENP and hard chrome plated jobs without deplating the whole job. Get protection against corrosion in wear for increasing the surface hardness and reducing electrical contact resistance. The plating is done with handheld brush and you can achieve the required plating thickness as per your job requirement. Machine portability has less chance of transit, handling damages on large jobs. Localized plating machine saves cost and time. It minimizes dismantling, downtime, turnaround delays, transportation charges and paperwork. It is also useful for handicrafts, temple doors, items which cannot be dipped in tank. We have repeated orders from reputed clients around India. Contact and deal with us.